When you're asking about shingle types, you're really asking about brand, such as Owens Corning or GAF, for example. And then the next thing that you want to ask yourself is what factors are the most important to you when it comes to shingles. Durability and lifespan certainly is an important factor, but it's not the only one. So you want to look at the aesthetic appeal of those shingles in your neighborhood for your house. Your budget obviously is very important. And then maintenance. How much maintenance are you willing to do over the lifespan of those shingles? And once we have gotten answers to those particular questions, then we can narrow it down to what particular brand of shingle fits your situation the best. And then with each of those brands that we choose, they have different classes within their lineup. So they would have, for example, 3-tab on the lower end. Architectural shingles would be another option, or designer shingles, and they're all a little bit different in the amount of lifespan that they have, the durability, their impact resistance to any sort of hail damage, that sort of thing, and then just how it fits and looks on your house. So once we have talked about those things, we'll narrow it down to the right type of shingle, the right type of brand, if that's Owens Corning, architectural shingles, or if that's a GAF designer shingle.